guys.
Hey guys.
It's us.
It is us.
You're so tall still. I'm literally wearing my platform Crocs right now.
We're making gingerbread houses.
Yeah.
I don't wanna feel this, 'cause it feels like way too hard. Got me on the ceiling.
We've both never built gingerbread houses before. Never.
Never. What we're going to do is we're going to make two, one each, and it's going to be a race.
No, it's not a race, it's a competition. I cannot open things.
Which was also part of the competition, so I'm obviously already up. So it has like a plastic mold so that things stand up better. And then we've got like the icing, and then we've got like tubes, some like harder buttons, and then like little candy balls.
Do you guys like his shirt?
Alright, you're trying to beat me on the kneading. She's trying to play the psychological game with me. Because she knows I'm going to beat her. Because she's very artistic with like creating things like
I'm not.
online and like, you know, like with,
Yeah,
with her mouse, but like with my hands, she knows
Yeah.
that I'm an artistic man with my hands. Alright.
Can you guys tell that KJ's like super competitive?
Not at all. I just win all the time. That's the cockiest thing I've ever said in my life. She's secretly like, I'm gonna beat you.
No, look, I'm just trying to figure out how this one bag of icing is supposed to last like this whole thing, you know?
Well, I suppose the majority of it is technically meant to do the joining.
I am sweating. Is it hot?
It's just the heat of competition. Wait, I just messed this up like off the bat. I messed it up straight away. I put the roofs on. It's happening the way I think it's gonna happen. If it's a different way, so be it. Alright, we're there.
Oh my god, it's
Oh,
falling.
but now it just looks like snow. Yeah, no, I definitely didn't read this properly. Alright, so we're gonna go.
Sophie, I wish you were a person so you could film like some close-up shots and stuff.
Oh, are we gonna pick? So we'll put Sophie here when we're done.
Hell no,
and
that's
the
not how
first
they're
one
voting.
she sniffs, which will be mine.
No,
Because
that's not how it's going. It doesn't seem very sturdy.
just had to get sturdy.
Are we decorating now? Are we just gonna do it?
Well, I mean, it's a competition. You can do whatever you want.
Okay. My hand is like cramping from this.
You in the backyard.
That was not meant to happen.
Dude! Oh, they're everywhere!
Call the gingerbread council.
You know what's crazy? How strong the icing is. To
Yeah.
hold everything in place like this? Nuts.
Do now.
Mine looks so clean, but like yours looks fun and mine kind of looks a bit boring.
Get out. Yours actually looks so much better than mine. Mine looks like a man made it. Yours
That's
looks
so mean to men. Why would you say that?
Mine looks like a freaking man with ADHD made it.
I think I'm done. I don't want to do too much because I have that too much gene.
Tools down. And show.
Voila.
Alright, so this is Jade's.
This is mine.
That looks so good.
Oh, I forgot to do the sides. Did you
I
do
didn't
this?
do any of the sides.
Yeah, I just did the front. So, windows, door, and then we got like the snowfall at the front that you need your shovel for because I see that in movies and stuff. And then we've got some bushes in the front, like hedges. And then this is my having a laugh there. This is some serious business. I'm trying to sell this house right now. I'm a real estate agent. It's free real estate. This is my favorite part. The roof, I feel like it's very cute and festive, and I just think it looks really good and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, this is my house. feel like it looks a bit bare. So
Bear market.
I don't know.
Alright, now time to show them mine. Mine is wild. So as you can see, I've got the candy falling at the front, the snow dripping off the eaves. Did I mean to do this? No, I didn't. But you know what?
It looks like frost.
It worked. It worked. I got the frost on the side as well, like the snow dripping. And yeah, I've just got like random little tubes on top. This one's an antenna for the internet. This one's for the TV. And then this is just like a mohawk that I left for the house. And this was meant to be in the center of that circle. It's really annoying. I'm gonna push that back to the center. The snow on top of the door dripping down. And you got like a little door handle, green door handle. And yeah, mine's a bit wild. Mine's
like
a bit
the
wild
front.
and crazy. It's all over the place.
What's happening in front of the front door?
So that's just like colourful snow
Okay.
that you have to like kick aside to get in.
I'd buy it.
Yeah, honestly, I'd buy it too. Like, it's pretty cool. It's pretty whack. It's like that one house on your street. You're like, crazy people live there.
Neighbors.
It's actually like that the neighbor with OCD and the neighbor with ADHD. Let us know
Who won?
who you think won.
Who won?
Because we already know who won.
I like yours
It
though.
was
Like if I
Jade.
went
See,
into a
I
shop, I
prefer
would
Jade.
buy yours.
Which is so funny because I would buy Jade's because it looks neat. And that's so funny because it's like, she's just such a perfectionist with what she does, and I love the things that she makes because they look awesome, and mine just look all over the place. But then she likes mine because they're all over the place, but
Yeah,
they look nice.
it's fun.
And she sees them as like, that's fun and that's cool.
It's like a big rainbow.
Yeah, it's literally like I threw up on it. You guys let us know
Yeah.
who you think.
Comment.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little competition video.
Yeah, I know we don't post on this channel like a lot, but when we do, I feel like the videos are kind of fun. We'll see you in the next video. We don't know when that's gonna be, but
So,
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yes.
It's definitely not gonna be before then.
Merry
so
Christmas, indeed.
yeah. Oh, I just want to say that Christmas is like not a good time for everyone. There's a lot of people out there who are very lonely at this time of the year. So
Definitely.
if you're feeling like that, you're not alone.
Yeah.
And definitely reach out to your friends.
You know, I hope you guys find the most enjoyment you can out of bad situations, if that's what it is. And if not, enjoy your friends and family time and be grateful for what you have in front of you.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Peace.